variation of colors, harmony and creativity, crystallized from a timeless love. Cement tiles, which dates back to the late 1800s, retains its ageless significance. Old encaustic cement tiles contained only a few dozen patterns and less than 10 colors. Today, we have created over 4,000 designs and 160 various hues in accordance with European and American standards. With a creative team with decades of experience and the talented hands of hardworking and conscientious artisans, we pay attention to every minute detail to create handcrafted encaustic cement tiles that are beautiful and bold and full of feeling. Do you understand why handcrafted, unburned encaustic cement tiles provide energy and vigor to your project? From the raw material, we do not use agricultural land to create products. Agricultural land is used to grow crops that feed people. If we take invisible agricultural land, we will harm the living ecosystem. Encaustic cement tiles are made from sand and stone, which are poor materials. Unburned handmade tiles, in particular, will not emit CO2 into the atmosphere. We must strive to protect our living environment. Cement tiles also allow for endless creativity. For example, using little encaustic tiles, you can make a map of your home country or many other types of flowers, such as dandelion, lotus, chrysanthemum, and iris, which offer love and happiness. More specifically, you will bring flowers indoors and make carpets that are simple to clean with only clean water every day and can last hundreds of years. If they unintentionally spill potent coffee within 8 hours, it can be readily cleaned with clean water. We have been exported to 60 countries, focusing on challenging markets such as America, Europe, and Australia, as well as architects with a love for originality. DAC beat, Chung Tua de Cap Cho and Hung Song Tren Ming Tin Ton Lin Hoasit Song Dong Nu. In particular, we have supplied the products for spiritual or community works such as Investors in resorts, villas, hotels, and restaurants may rest assured that the safeguard coating of the surface. The projects of villas, resorts, restaurants Viet Tiles has supplied. We do more than only sell products. We provide customers with ideas to adopt in their homes, and you can be creative with your message. Creativity originates in space, and many customers connect with us to creative works. By spreading our products, you are joining hands with us to protect the living environment of this earth. In addition to popular designs in encaustic tiles, Viet Tiles offers designs of carpet made from cement tiles with ideas from other countries. We also have designs of carpet from the Middle East and other countries. Our team will work with you to produce works of art that will stay forever. Tiles of energy and vitality, stunning buildings that are not just beautiful, but also places where people can love and connect with one another. Viet Tiles will develop new colors and designs that are unique, modern, and elegant to beautify the growing tree. We develop a terrazzo product range with big size 600 by 1200 mm with the stone chip size from 1 mm to 20 mm and colored glass chip and our completed finishing on site. And brass inlay cement tiles, for further elegance, 3D encaustic tiles, for additional resistance, high slippery. There are many things from Viet Tiles to discovery that you are not aware of. Come to Viet Tiles once and you will fall in love at first sight. We appreciate your orders and are thankful for Viettiles' connections to architects and outstanding projects. More than 11 years, now in 2024, we will continue to develop and conserve traditional Vietnamese craft communities while also inspiring environmental protection.